Hi there. Today we are making chicken noodle soup for people and bone broth chicken soup for dogs. I started out with a whole chicken and just some water, cooked for about 3 to 4 hours. Now the chicken is falling off the bone. I'm putting all the good breast pieces, leg pieces in my soup here. Got some broccoli, some carrots, some sweet potato. Our dog Apollo has been sick with diarrhea and throwing up with blood in the stool, and bone broth soup is very good for sick dogs. I'm going to give him some in just a little bit here. Got a piece of chicken cooling down. Come here. Sit. That'll help you feel better, huh? Yeah. Are we sick? Switching from a new food. They claimed it was better, but it just made him sick, gave him diarrhea. So hopefully this soup helps him feel better. Our soup is ready to eat. We have some ice cubes in there to help it cool down. Make sure it's cooled down. You don't want your dog to burn its tongue. Make sure you go through and get all the bones out. Cooked bones are very dangerous for dogs. He's very hungry. He hasn't eaten all day and he's sick. So let's see how he likes this. He hasn't been drinking a lot lately, so all that water in there will definitely help him. Help settle his stomach. Maybe even help with the diarrhea. We've got the rest of our soup. It's gonna stay cooking on low for a while longer, until all the bones are soft and they can be blended up, and then I will store it for him. Is it good? I think he likes it. Here is the completed bone broth. I ran it all through the blender after cooking it for about 8 hours. And I'm going to feed this to my sick dog. And once he is better, as you can see, I have a whole lot here. I'm going to use it in each of their food meals. Will be a good addition. Looks real good, smells good. I bet they'll really like it. Be really good for them too. Thanks for watching, guys.